Most people think making $200 or $300 a day requires a traditional 9-to-5 job. That's not true. You don't need a boss, a long commute, or fixed hours. What you need is knowledge, strategy, and consistency. In this video, I'll show you practical ways to make $200 to $300 daily, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Freelancing your skills. The fastest way to make daily income is to sell skills you already have. Writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management. All of these can generate $50 to $100 per project. If you complete 2 to 3 small projects a day, you're already hitting $200 to $300. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer make this possible. Even beginners can get started with small tasks and gradually increase rates as they build reputation. The key is consistency. Do not wait for the perfect project. Start small, deliver quality, and build momentum. Step 2. Buy and sell, reselling. Another way to earn $200 to $300 daily is by reselling products. Find items locally, online, or through clearance deals, and sell them for a profit. Popular options include electronic sneakers, collectibles, used furniture. Even small daily flips can quickly add up. The advantage here is you don't need advanced skills, just research and timing. Step 3. Micro-investing or online platforms. Some online platforms let you earn daily from small investments or tasks. For example, dividend-paying apps are platforms. Peer-to-peer lending. Micro-task platforms like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, or Appen. While these won't replace a full-time salary overnight, combined with other methods, they help reach $200 to $300 per day. Step 4. Content creation, monetized side projects. If you have creativity, you can start creating content that generates passive income. YouTube Shorts or long-form videos selling digital products like templates, ebooks, or courses. Running small niche blogs or social media accounts. This method takes a bit longer to start, but once you gain traction, daily income can grow without constant active work. Step 5. Combine methods for consistency. The easiest way to reliably make $200 to $300 daily is to combine methods. Freelancing plus reselling, micro-investing plus content projects. Whatever fits your schedule and skills. Consistency is more important than doing everything perfectly. Even small actions every day compound into meaningful income. Mindset and key tips. 1. Time is your asset. Focus on high-value work first. 2. Avoid distractions and shiny objects. Stick to proven methods. 3. Track your progress. Know exactly how much you earn daily and where it comes from. 4. Reinvest wisely. As your income grows, reinvest in tools, education, or products to scale. The truth is, making $200 to $300 daily without a 9-to-5 is completely achievable. It requires action, consistency, and smart choices. Most people overthink it or wait for the perfect opportunity. The reality: the perfect opportunity is the one you start today. Start with one method. Execute daily. Expand gradually. Before you know it, $200 to $300 a day will become routine, not an exception.